Congratulations, I cannot wait to see you at the Ignite Your Career Path. By the way, I invite you to become VIP. I noticed you have not taken advantage of it. Mistake. Do not do that. For $47, you get lifetime access to all the interviews with a summit workbook, one-to-one coaching session with me. The second day, just after the live interview, you get a Q&A lunch and also a masterclass. Woo! A special bonus, 3 months, 3 months accountability with me to really create your quarterly second. We are going in quarter 2, and here we are hitting it in excellent. This is the place where you can be in control of your career path, so do not miss this. Either way, we will see you there. It is your call. If I was you, I will go VIP. Click the link below and grab your VIP access. It is only $47. It is a no-brainer. See you there.